on! Ah! This isn't funny anymore!
A sudden wave left. But Hoppy,
One mistake could change everything.
in the heart of a peaceful green valley, where sunlight dances gently across the trees, there lived animals.
And among them lived a small rabbit named Hoppy, tiny in size, but carrying a heart braver than the tallest mountain. Hoppy was no ordinary rabbit. His little red tractor was not a toy, but a rescue machine. He believed that kindness was the greatest strength, and preparation was the key to rescue machines.
The gentle river turned wild and furious, rising higher and higher with every passing second.
The gentle river turned wild and furious, rising higher and higher with every passing second.
The water is getting closer that they didn't realize danger was already racing toward them. Help! Somebody please help us! The storm was too loud, and Hope felt very far away.
The current is too strong. We can't reach them.
Fear froze the jungle, but not everyone was afraid.
Whoa! This isn't funny anymore.
A sudden wave left them stranded, and the storm showed no mercy.
I won't let them face this alone. Rescue mission starting now.
The muddy road fought against him, but Hoppy pushed forward, refusing to slow down.
I need another way.
He chose the harder path because someone was waiting. Fast!
Hold on! Ah! I'm here!
I'm scared! Trust me!
Here! The rope had to be perfect. One mistake could change everything.
Hoppy pulled with everything he had, refusing to let go. The rope stretched to its limit. But it held.
You saved me!
Stay behind me. I'm slipping.
The water... Thank you, Hoppy. You should never dishearten. I am here. Laughter. Bye-bye, everyone. See you soon.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe our channel for more. Thank you.